Good morning. Well, today I'm in central Italy, and the place is called Lanciano. Well, Lanciano is a kind of medieval town. There are 34,000 people living here, but the origins are pretty ancient. Take a look at this archway here. It dates back to the 12th century. And now we have the medieval part of the town. Well, this is not the medieval part of the town. But we're going to the town center. And of course, this is cardio fitness. Just let me catch some breath, because I'm also wearing a mask, so it's kind of difficult. Yeah. And these alleys are pretty nice for people visiting this place. And of course, the view is quite stunning. There is also a cat here, and that's the Cathedral. And that's supposed to be a park down here. Of course, we will go the other way around to show the real historical part of Lanciano. Well, Lanciano is famous for the Eucharistic Miracle. A lot of people come from different places because they want to visit. In the year 700, 800 AD, a priest was celebrating Mass, and the host became flesh, and the wine became blood. Of course, this kind of phenomenon was studied by scientists who had no answer. And so there is a mystery behind this. Cats are everywhere. Just lonely cats. Yeah, this one is pretty amazing. And we are approaching the main square, the piazza. Yeah, I want to show you before we get there. Let's go this way. You know, that thing over there, you know, you see people walking. Of course, it's a bridge. And the bridge is pretty old. It was built by the Roman Emperor Diocletian. And it's still there. Yeah, this is a better view. There it is. That's the bridge. Yeah, the people are walking there. You know, here in Italy, there are places like this one with a lot of beautiful things to see. That's the theater. Nice picture. So I want to go this way. And of course, we will see the cathedral, the church, the square, and the Corso, Main Street. Yeah, that's the bell tower. Let me show you. And that's the square, main square. You can see a lot of ancient buildings in the skyline. And that's the Corso, the main street. Yeah, this one is not medieval. This one was built in the 19th century, late 19th century, early 20th century. And that's the cathedral. This is the town hall. And that's another church. And this is, you know, the alley that goes to the Eucharistic Miracle. We're going to do that some other time. For now, I just want to show you part of the historical center. Yeah, this is Lanciano Vecchia. It means old Lanciano. Well, this town was not bombed by Germans and Allied forces, so it was preserved during World War II, and well, it wasn't preserved during earthquakes hitting the city. Well, it's not different from the typical Italian town in central Italy. get closer. Yeah. This tower was built in the 14th century, so Middle Ages. Let's get back on track. And here we have more things to show. For example, this church. Sant Agostino. Of course, it's 14th century, 1300 AD. Yeah, of course, a lot of buildings have been restored. Yeah, 1583. Yeah. Yeah, of course, it's a miracle that we have a lot of ancient buildings, considering that this is a place with a lot of big earthquakes, and so we could have had more, but unfortunately, some buildings collapsed because of strong earthquakes. Okay, this one is a medieval house with shops. Just a glimpse, a better one. There we go. And this church is pretty old. It was built in the year 1059. It's not open, but I can show you the bell tower. And here it is. Nice. And this is an elevator. Well, it's not beautiful to see, but this marks the end of our trip. And that's the view from up here. You can see the Mayella Mountain and the Gran Sasso and a lot of hills, vineyards. And this is a parking lot. Not pleasant to see, of course. Well, thank you very much for watching. like